What is the meaning of life? In terms of, let's break it down to various ways we can look at this. In terms of biology, the meaning of life is reproduction, nothing else. In terms of you, as an individual, as a living, breathing human being, your meaning of life is whatever you decide it is. You can change your meaning of life at any point you want. You can decide whatever you want, and then change your mind and decide there's something else that is the meaning of your life. But when it comes to the universe, what is the meaning of life when we look from the perspective of the universe? There is no meaning of life when it comes to the universe. There is no meaning. It just is. Life just exists. That's it. No meaning, just is. See you next time. Cheers.